Hey guys, my name is Johnsen and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about web stories. It's a format for creating and displaying short, visually engaging and interactive multimedia content on the web. These stories are designed to be mobile friendly and provide a way to present information in a visually appealing and easily digestible manner. Google Web Stories are similar in concept to the stories featured found on different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat, but are intended for the broader web. Web stories are composed of images, videos, and brief text captions, making them highly visual and engaging. They are designed to be responsive and load quickly on mobile devices, providing a seamless user experience. Web stories can include interactive elements like clickable links, buttons, and polls, enhancing user experience and engagement. They are typically short and concise with a limited duration, often lasting just a few seconds to a few minutes. And their swipe navigation. Users can navigate through a web story by swiping or tapping, similar to the way stories are presented on social media platforms. Google introduced web stories as a part of its efforts to enhance the visual storytelling experience on the web and make it easier for content creators to produce engaging content. These stories can be used for a wide range of purposes, including showcasing products, telling stories, providing how-to guides, and much more. They can also be optimized for SEO and discoverability, potentially attracting more organic traffic to websites. To create web stories, content creator can use different tools and platforms, including Google Web Stories, WordPress plugin, which simplifies the process of designing and publishing web stories. Additionally, Google often features web stories in its search results and discover feed, increasing their visibility and potential reach.